So, what's up, everybody? Third break of the evening. We have a Series 1, 16-17. Yep. Series 1, 16-17 break, 1342. The only problem that I have tonight is that we have this break after this one, 1342. So, we have 1342 Series 1 and the Cup. So I'm going to start with Series 1 double box break, 16-17. And after that, I'm going to do the cup. But both have the same numbers. We had trouble with our listing on eBay. But this is 1342 Series 1 double box break. We have 24 packs per box. 4 eyeglass. No, that's a joke. Well, that's all we get an eyeglass. First card that we have is a Shining Stars Calgary Flames Sean Monahan. He's not that shiny this year. Next pack, we have a canvas of Yannick Hansen, Vancouver Canucks. Third pack, Young Gun for the Boston Bruins, Danton Heinen. Our next pack is a Young Gun for the New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. He's good this year. He's good. We have a portrait, Dallas Stars, John Klingberg. He's not that good this year. Dallas Stars defense is not good this year. We have a UD Game jersey, Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. We have a Young Gun canvas, New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Shining Stars blue, Pittsburgh Penguins, Matt Murray. We have a Young Gun for the Arizona Coyotes, Lawson Krause. Next pack, we have a portrait for the Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. I hope he's going to be back soon. We have a goalie nightmare, Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Pack number 12. We have a Shining Stars for the Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. So that's our first half of the first box. Second half. We have a Young Gun for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Oliver Bjorkstrand. Canvas, Vancouver Canucks, Ryan Miller with his camera. It's a funny picture. We have a Shining Stars for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Claude Giroux. We have a Super Colossal, Edmonton Oilers, Matt Hendricks. We have a Goalie Nightmare, New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. We have a portrait for the San Jose Sharks, Brent Burns. Chewbacca. Portraits rookie, Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Mata. Finally, he's playing in the NHL. Young Gun, Nashville Predators, Pontus Aberg. We have a Super Colossal Ottawa Senators, the guy that I can't say his name. Sorry for Ottawa, but I really can't. We have a Young Gun, Arizona Coyotes, Jacob Chychrun. We have a goalie nightmare, LA Kings, Tyler Toffoli. And our last pack, we have a canvas Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. So that's it for box number 1. Box number 2, that's where we're going to find Auston Matthews. Pack number 1. We have a young gun, Carolina Hurricane, Trevor Carrick. We're probably gonna get a, oh nice, young gun canvas, Arizona Coyotes, Jacob Chychrun. Come on, camera, what do you want? What's the problem? All right, there you go. Third pack, we have a Shining Stars, Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Only Daniel in Series 1, no Henrik. We have a goalie nightmare, Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Shining Stars, Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin. Portraits for the Flyers, Wayne Simon. He's so good. Underrated. He's really good. We have the Portraits, New Jersey Devil, Corey Schneider. All-star goalie, too. We have the Shining Stars, Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Canvas, Carolina Hurricane, Jordan Staal. We have a Young Gun Checklist, Toronto Maple Leaf, Auston Matthews, and William Nylander. Young Gun New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Pack number 12. We have a UD Game jersey, Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. First half of box number 2 is done. Sorry for that. Pack 13. We have a Super Colossal, Colorado Avalanche, Cody McLeod. Young Gun, Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. So no Matthews, but still, Nylander. We have a Canvas, Carolina Hurricane, Jeff Skinner. We have a clear-cut Buffalo Sabres, Ryan O'Reilly. And we have the Super Colossal Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. So we have 2 hits in this pack. Oh, got 2 hits again. First one is Goalie Nightmare, Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. And our second hit is a Clear Cut Foundation, number 25. 21 out of 25. We have Jeff Skinner, Noah Hanifin, Carolina Hurricane. Nice hit. 21 out of 25. Congrats to the Carolina Hurricane. Next pack, we have a Portrait, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Next pack, we have a Goalie Nightmare, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. We have a canvas for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. Hope he's going to be back soon. He's injured right now. Drop the pack. Next, we have a Young Gun for Toronto Maple Leafs, Zach Hyman. Young Gun, Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Mata. 2 packs left out of this break. We have a portrait for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Johansson. And our last pack, we have a Shining Stars for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. So that's it for Series 1. I'll be right back with the single box break of the Cup 15-16 in a minute. Thanks, guys.